Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple GUI or complete application without writing a single line of code. By the way, Buildfy has got some really cool looking update. We will be using this tool to create this entire application. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit this website in order to download the newest version of Buildfy, and we have finally integrated AI with the Buildfy, so basically you can generate GUI using just AI. Now all you have to do is just click on this button over here to try the AI, and then if you are a free user then you can go with the $0 and then click on get in order to get your version. By the way, free version has got some really new updates with an access to each and every widgets. So now you can add any widget directly into the canvas and export it. The only limitation is you can't use the AI feature, and also you have only 3 export per month. By the way, if you want to upgrade, then you can upgrade it just for $8, which is insanely cheap. Alright, so after opening the Buildfy application, all you can see over here are the different options like new project, open project, and generate with AI. So I'm going to be clicking on generate with AI. And now you need an API key. By the way, all the pro users will get an inbuilt API key. If the API key is not working, then please email us at proxlite02@gmail.com and we will provide you with an API key. Now click on submit. Alright, now here we have to describe the GUI that we want. So for today's project, I'm going to be creating a simple budget planner GUI. So I'm just going to be writing here that create a budget planner GUI. And then click on OK. Then it will ask you to save in a location. So we need to save the JSON file. So I'm just going to be typing that budget planner. And then it will create a very simple GUI with a budget planner. Now this GUI consists of simple text field and also some text boxes with a button of set budget. Now you can simply modify it or customize it according to your need. Now we are going to export this as a Python file. So I'm going to click on over here to export to Python file and then name it something like budget planner and hit save in order to save it. Alright, so as you can see, we got the code finally over here. And here is the complete GUI or the front end for the application. By the way, we need to implement the backend right now. So what I'm going to be doing is using the Claude AI in order to do so. So first of all, copy the entire code from the Python script. Then head over to claude.ai and all you have to do is paste this prompt that I want to create a budget planner. Here's the GUI part, make it fully functional, and paste the code. By the way, you can use ChatGPT also. Now what I'm going to be doing here is copy the entire code and I'm going to be pasting it over into the Python file. And finally, as you can see, we got our budget planner application. So I can add the limits over here and the total budget along with the expenses, and I can set the budget and add the expenses and it will give me the remaining budget. Alright, this app is totally great. So if you are a free user, you can still have this feature. All you have to do is drag and drop and create yourself the entire UI manually and then export it as Python file and use the Claude API to make the app fully functional. If you want our help, then please email us. And also you can use the Buildfy Pro just for $8. It is a lifetime deal and there are tons and tons of different kind of features alongside with templates are coming up soon. By the way, you can follow us on Instagram and also on our Twitter page to learn more about Buildfy progress. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was really helpful on creating a complete GUI using Python and AI. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep coding. Goodbye.